Introducing multi-purpose IP66 and NEMA-4X approved LED luminaire. This product can be retrofit not only on jelly jars but any keyless socket. Facing short life and lumen loss problem on your LED bulbs inside jelly jar fixtures? Switch to Overdrive EH80 Jelly Jar Retrofit Kit. Overdrive over the years has perfected the patented Overdrive EH80 luminaire, a unique light for retrofitting on traditional jelly jars. It meets most stringent conditions of rough, dusty, harsh and humid places possible on Earth. Overdrive EH80 luminaire needs no rewiring, can easily adapt to most jelly jar fixtures and 12 cubic inches junction boxes, built to withstand harsh environments such as dust, humidity and corrosion. Overdrive EH80 luminaires are warranted to last for 5 years. What makes the luminaire an ideal lighting source for your business? A constant current driver gives steady light during voltage fluctuations. The LED chip emits light up to 135 lumen per watt. The F1 rated UV stabilized polycarbonate cover offers additional weathering capabilities and uniformly diffuse light over large areas with no spots and shadows. 50,000 plus hours of life. Lumen emission depreciates very slowly, ensures high efficiency throughout. To retrofit, all you need to do is to remove the jar and the bulb and replace it with the separately available E26 pigtail wire and the EH80 luminaire. Overdrive EH80 luminaire comes with an optional silicone gasket and adapter ring, easily fitting most of 12 cubic inch junction box. For installation using porcelain keyless socket on junction box, EH80 can be installed in a couple of minutes. Turn off the power, take down the porcelain keyless socket, disconnect wires, connect the hardwire pigtail with the help of wire nuts, screw on the adapter, connect EH80 and AC input supply orange connector, screw in the EH80, turn on the power. Overdrive EH80 luminaire. Available in both ceiling and wall mount adapters separately and available in various wattages, color and dimmable and non-dimmable version. The IP66 rated Overdrive EH80 is ETL listed for wet locations and also NEMA-4X approved. Overdrive EH80 luminaire is Energy Star compliant and most models are DLC listed. Multiple models available for different applications. Thank you for watching. For more details, please visit our website.